Okay. Is it pointing up? Yeah. Okay. So currently, my daughter's been snowed in at her grandparents' house for 2 days. It's really hard to vlog and walk. I'm trying. And they haven't plowed them out yet. So we're on foot, trying to get to my daughter. I'm not looking at the camera because I'm looking at where I'm stepping because there's snow everywhere. Oh, I can't even see it. It's so dark. Oh my god. I can't believe they didn't plow this shit. This is insane. What if somebody was giving birth? What?
Or dying.
Or dying. Holy fuck. I have to get like a cherry picker or something out of here. Okay, I'm going. Can't do this and you can't see me anyway.